ready? Girls at home, you ready? I love it. Let's get started. We got a few combos we need to put under our belt. Listen up. Make sure you're nice and warm, ready to go, focused. Let's start. Feet parallel, soft. Tuck, lift, roll, arms, open and push. I want slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slide, slide, quick, quick, slide. Two more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2. Can we add some arms? We go up, up, cross, cross, cross. We go up, up, down, down, down. We go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Last time. Slow, slow. No more arms. Figure 8. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Last time. Slow, slow. Can we add the arms? Yes, yes. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. You can do this. Up, up, cross, down, down. We go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Last time. Slow, slow. Beautiful. Step touch. Nice. We'll go back to it. That was combo 1. Ready? Combo 2. Give me a basic step touch. Rib cage floating up, space around the neck. Arms up for balance. Strong ankles, feet, knees, hips in alignment. No twisty, no crossy. Everything is nice and strong. Push off the floor. Squeeze the glute. Bam. If you're having trouble, you can always do this. Boom. That really helps. Boom. Of course, we don't belly dance like this, but it helps you to kind of feel the glute and the foot connect. Yeah. Let's add the arms. Try it. Yellow. 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice. Let's add on. Check me out. Check me out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, freeze. Hold, hold, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Hold, hold, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, freeze. Hold, hold, hold again. 1, 2. You can do this. You can do it. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sexy, sexy, sexy. If you have trouble getting 4 in, just do 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 with me. 1, 2, 3. Sit, sit, sit. Plie, plie, plie. Step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3. Hold. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. 1, 2. You got me? Yes, yes. Again, again. 2, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3. Hold. La, 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 la. Now travel, travel, travel. Take it back, back, back. La, 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 la. Travel forward, travel forward. Take it back, take it back. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Last time. Combo 2. Travel forward, travel forward. Take it back. Step, touch, hold it here. From the top. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow. Let's add the arms. Up, up, down, down, down. Up, up. Step, touch, please. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Again, again. Step, touch. Now hold it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Last time. Step, touch, step, touch. Again, again. Step, touch, hold. Roll it, stay here. Drop, 2, 3. Ready for our next combo? Yes, teacher. Listen up. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, march, march, land. 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, march, march, land. Drop, 2, 3, 4, crescent, crescent, drop, and pas de bourrée. Drop, crescent, drop, walk, walk, walk. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I added some arms optional. Basic 2, 3, 4, forward, back, basic, and walk. Let's do it again. Hup, hup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, 2, 3, 4, forward, back, basic. I love it. Last time, show me your best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk it like it's hot. Hup! 1, 2, 3, 4, windshield wiper and basic. Pas de bourrée, freeze, drop, lift up, drop, drama, lift up, telenovela, soap opera, lift up, last time, other side, what, up, and sit. We go up, lift the hip, sit. 2 more strong thighs, supporting your body weight, sit, chest up, last time, boom, other side, last combo, last combo, let's do it, 5, 6, 7, 8, drop, 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 walk, 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 drop, 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 what? Drop, 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 walk it, pas de bourrée. Down, 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 walk it, walk it, walk it. Let's go, drop, 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 sit, sit, drop, sit, sit, drop. Can you do it again? Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. Sit, sit, drop, sit, sit, drop, sit, sit, hop, pas de bourrée. So you do 3 of those. 1, 2, 3, pas de bourrée and shimmy. Inhale. Can we put it all together? Yes, teacher. I'll answer for you. Yes. All right, let's put all of those combos together just to kind of review them. Okay? Ready, Freddy? Here we go. Figure 8, figure 8. We have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Now we add the arms. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, up, up, down, down, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again, again. 1, 2, freeze, shoulders. 1, 2, 3, and step, touch, again, again. Step, touch, freeze. 2 more times, please. Egyptian walk, step, touch. 5 and 6, 7, here's the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stay here, hip drop. Basic, crescent, basic, pas de bourrée. You got me? Basic, crescent, windshield wiper, basic, pas de bourrée. Can we do it again? Yes, yes. Drop, 2, 3, 4, twisty, 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 hop. Drop, 2, 3, 4, walk it, land. Drop, 2, 3, 4, twisty, 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 drop. One more time, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, Last combo, 2 drops. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Walk it, walk it, walk. Down, down, down. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Again, let's go. Last combo, down, down, down. Yep. Drop, drop, drop. Last time. Finish up this side. Hup. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Drop, drop, drop. And we pose. We're gonna stretch it out. Good job, my little nuglets. Some fun combos, yeah? Just some fun combos. You know, fun combos you can use anywhere. All right, let's open up those feet. Let's cool it down, stretch. Soften the knees. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Keep the head above the heart. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale. Stay here. Head above the heart, but sit into the hips. Open up the knees, open up the pelvis, and just sit. You can play around a little if you want to stretch. Okay, nothing should hurt, should feel like a release. Okay. When you're ready, come forward. Twist the spine. Push one shoulder forward, and then return. Again, head is still above the heart. Push the shoulder, twist the spine. Come center, roll it up, cross the arms in front, tighten your quads, tighten your tummy to keep your balance. Inhale, exhale. Good. Again, inhale. Grow tall, exhale. One more time, inhale. Beautiful, open up, spine roll. Now you can let the head fall, chin to chest, roll it up. Think cat-cow. Beautiful. Can we do it again? Open up, heart, lungs. Inhale. Arch that spine. Collapse forward, chin to chest. Tighten that tummy, round that spine. Open up. Beautiful. Walk the feet close. One foot's going to lunge all the way back. You are in a very wide stance. Both feet facing forward, pressing that heel back, tucking the tailbone up, lifting the chest, palm up, cross and pull. Point the shoulder down. Give me some wrist circles. Beautiful. Stretch it. Now you're going to pull the tummy in. You're going to bring the arms down. Balance. Inhale. Optional, you may look up. Hold it, reach the arms up. And open hands on the hips. Back foot up on the ball, lunge down. Tuck the tailbone under, lift the chest, and sit into the hip. Stretching the hip flexors. Right here, really stretch it. Good. Balance, tight tummy, and come up. Swing that foot forward, heel toe. Push your hips back, shut the dresser drawer with your hips. Option 1, you can hold your back here. Option 2, you come all the way down. Your knees may be soft or they can be straight, whatever feels good, but I do want to encourage you to release your head, your shoulders, and your neck. Let all of that succumb to gravity. Shake your head, no. Shake it, yes. Beautiful. Tighten your tummy, bend your knees, squeeze your inner thighs, cross your arms in front, lift your elbows, lift your hair, lift your chest, open. Beautiful. Let's go to the other side. Lunging back. Step all the way back. Press that heel down. Hips square, palm up, cross and pull. Point that shoulder down and some wrist circles. Good. So I'm here. Yep. Beautiful. And rest. Chest is up, hips are square, shoulders are square. Inhale, balance. Optional to look up, to reach up. Exhale. Open up. Beautiful. Hands on hips. Back foot, high heel, bend, tuck, lift. Push that hip forward. Stretching those hip flexors. Hold it. 4 and 3 and 2. We're going to swing. Heel toe. Hinge. All the way down. Again, knees can be soft, straight. Shake out the shoulders. Shake out the head, the neck, and tighten your tummy, roll up. Roll up. 2 more stretches, and we are done. The next 2 stretches need balance. So if you have balance concerns, you're gonna grab a bar, a wall, a chair. Check me out. Balance. Grab the toe, the ankle, or the pants. You can even grab the pants. All right, or the leg warmers. Bring the heel as close as you can to the glute, to the butt. And bring your knees as close as you can together. Nice aligned hips. Balance. Good. Hold 4 and 3 and 2 and rest. Swing it forward. Balance. Cross it over the thigh. Figure 4. Inhale. Start to explore sitting down. Sitting down. Flex the foot to protect the knee. Gentle, go as low as you're comfortable. If you say, P, this is killing me, you get right out of it and you stretch something else. Beautiful. This is your piriformis and hip attachments. And bring it up. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go to the other side. Yeah, and it's great to use the wall or a chair or the bar. You can really get some deep stretching because you don't have to worry about the balance. So you decide, do I care about the balance today or do I want to go deeper in the stretch? All right, because if you're holding on to something, you can really stretch. Balance. Good. Beautiful. Nothing should hurt. There should be a tension that gives you a release, not a sharp pain. And rest, flex, cross, flex the foot to protect the knee, grow tall, and explore how low you want to go. How low can you go? How low can you go? Low, 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 low. Boots with the fur. Dun, dun, dun. Remember that song? Okay, it's just me. All right, bring it up. Shake it out. You did it. You did it. Twisty twist. Twisty twist. Inhale. Exhale. Hug yourself. Kisses for you. Zachary. Good job, everybody. The crowd goes wild.